guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ashley. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing review video for you. The company Luvo actually reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to test out a few of their vanity mirrors. Now Luvo, if you guys didn't know, it's an Australian brand, but they actually the store that I purchased my ring light from. So I purchased an 18-inch ring light from them. I'll leave the video listed up above and also link down below if you wanted to check out that video. But that was 2 years ago. The ring light is still going strong and it's been the perfect addition to my kind of YouTube setup. Now Luvo Store actually do a lot of different lights. So ring lights, like soft boxes, a lot of things for photography and beauty makeup. They also do like vanity mirrors and like little containers and beauty kind of vanity storage. But Luvo actually wanted to send me a few of their vanity mirrors to test out for you guys. Now I have been on the hunt for a kind of vanity mirror. When I film my makeup tutorials, I hold like a palette with a mirror. I don't really have a permanent beauty setup. I live in an apartment, so once I've set everything up, once I finish filming, I need to pack everything back down again. So I don't really have a permanent beauty space set up. So I've been looking for a few vanity mirrors, which is just going to help me when I'm doing my makeup with you guys, so I'm not like holding like a little compact and looking away. So I've been looking for a not like bulky, easy to move around like vanity mirror that I can pack away with the rest of my setup after I finish filming my videos. I was also looking for a vanity mirror that I can use kind of every day too, because my bathrooms are used in the morning and I do spend quite a lot of time doing my makeup and getting ready in the morning. I know, surprise, surprise. And so I wanted to be able to have a vanity mirror that I can set out in the living room, have it all lit up so I'm getting really nice lighting and I can do my makeup out there without disturbing anyone else that's getting ready in the apartment. So like I said, Luvo did send me out 2 mirrors. I am just waiting on receiving one. It's still coming in the mail, but the first one that I did receive is the Luvo Store Wanderlite Travel Beauty Mirror. So let's get to unboxing this package. The shipping was actually really quick. It only took about, less than a week, especially in COVID times. Like that's actually pretty good. So I'm going to open it up. It comes really well packaged with a heap of bubble wrap, so you don't have to worry about your mirror being broken or anything like that. It's really secure. So I'm just gonna pull it out. I haven't actually opened this up at all. And then it just comes in a little sleeve. So one thing that I saw on their website which kind of drew me to this one is that you can put batteries in it, or you can use like a micro USB like power point as well, which is awesome. If you're close enough and you want to just plug it in, you can do that, but the batteries make it super versatile, especially if you're traveling overseas. You don't want to be worrying about bringing all these different adapters or anything like that. You just put your batteries in it and you're good to go. But because I'm planning on using this one when I'm filming, I do like that it comes with the power adapter cord option, so I can just plug it in with the rest of my lights. So taking it out, this is what it looks like here. This is in the gold version, so it's definitely a gold. It's probably like, it's a really like 24 karat gold. The ring light that I've got was a gold version, but it's kind of more of that champagne gold, whereas this is more of like a yellow gold, almost an antique gold, so just something to keep in mind. At the back there is a stand, so you can adjust your mirror depending on how much of a tilt that you need, and then it just has the power on off button. Batteries can go underneath, and then the micro USB port just at the back. Now opening it up, this is what it looks like. So it folds out like a book, and you just, I'm gonna try not to blind you with the ring light. Oh, you can see my cat. My cat's sitting on my spare mattress. So this is what it looks like when it's opened. Got a 2 times magnified mirror here, a 3 times, a regular and a regular. So you can really get up close with these 2 panels over here, and then you just got your 2 regular mirrors on either side as well. As you can see, there's strips down the side here, and these strips actually light up. So it is a light up LED mirror, hence why you need the power. So I'm going to just plug it in and then turn this on so we can see what it looks like all lit up. Okay, so I've just plugged it in, and what I did really love is that the cord is actually super long. It's not just like a teeny tiny annoying cord, like it's got a lot of length to it, so that's really good when you need to plug the mirror in. Now I've plugged it in at the back, so I've just flicked it on, and I'm just going to turn the on button here, and this is it lit up. So as you can see there, it's got the 2 panels here which are emitting a light. I love that it's just on the side here, so it's really going to light the face really evenly. Okay, so I've currently got the lights set up in front of me. I'll insert a little video from my camera so you can see what it's kind of looking like. Now, like I said, I don't have a professional beauty setup whatsoever. But you guys, it works. You don't need to spend a heap of money on having a perfect beauty setup. No one actually knows what it looks like when you're actually filming. They only see this part of you. So whatever's going on anywhere else, no one's gonna see. I've currently got the mirror stacked up on a jewelry box and then the actual cardboard box that it came with, just to give it a bit of height. So that means when I'm doing my makeup, I can just look down and do my makeup, and I can be completely in frame and see exactly what I'm doing and not have a compact or anything like that in the way when I'm filming. So guys, this is what it looks like. As I mentioned, I've got my jewelry box just down here, and then I've got the cardboard box that it came in, and then this is what the mirror looks like. So as you can see, we've got the, this is what the 2 times is, and then we've got, I'll see if I can do it, a 3 times, which looks a bit distorted, but when you get up close to it, it's super, super clear. And then this is just the normal mirror, and then the normal mirror here. So it's really cool. And this is my setup. Look, it has just became a bit of a junk room, this room. It was our roommate's room, but then he left to go do some traveling. He got a job overseas. But, you know, coronavirus hit, and he's come back to Australia. I do have my room set up. This is what it looks like. So I've got a softbox here, a ring light, and a softbox. I do also as well have the ceiling light on. This is where my station is at the moment. I would usually have the laptop on this table, but yeah, basically that is my setup. It goes to show that you don't need a fully decked out system. You can make it work. Also not having to worry about holding a handheld compact, or trying to set a palette up on a table and kind of get the angles right, because typically you can't adjust a makeup palette how far the mirror tilts back. It just kind of opens, and that's where you're sitting with, and I end up kind of being awkwardly bent over trying to do my makeup. But this way you can just adjust the mirror as much as you like, tilt it, and it's done. I have both my hands free, which is awesome. So I've just pulled up the Luvo website, and this is the Wanderlite Mirror. It's actually retailing on their website for only $45 at the moment. So that's in Australian dollars. That's an absolute steal. $45 for this mirror is amazing. I was going to pick up the Kmart, I think, had a vanity mirror that I was looking at, but I think that's about $60. It comes with the typical, those light bulbs that surround the perimeter of the mirror itself, which for me, I'm not such a fan of. I prefer something that's a little bit more sleek, especially this one, because it's going to be great for traveling. You just fold it up. It just looks like a little bit of a thicker palette, but super slim considering you've got the mirrors in there, but then the LED light strips on the side. It's difficult to kind of show how much light the mirror itself gives off, considering, because I've got my 2 soft boxes and my ring light going on at the moment. Look, it's not going to replace any of those items. If you are looking for a mirror which is going to light up your face for YouTube and beauty videos, this is probably not going to be it. This is more so for the everyday person who needs to just put their makeup on in the mornings and just want some decent lighting, not harsh overhead kind of bathroom lighting, if you know what I mean. It's also going to be really great for those who are traveling and just don't want to be taking up, maybe you're traveling with friends or your partner and you take longer to get ready, but you don't want to be hogging up the bathroom the entire time. You can just whip this out, sit it on a breakfast table or in the living room, sit on the ground and do your makeup, and you've got a little bit of that extra lighting. That is what I feel like this is catered towards. It's not going to be your ring light, it's not going to be your soft boxes. It just doesn't emit the same amount of light that you will get from those kind of items. But if you do film beauty videos or any YouTube videos and you want to have a mirror in front of you, I think this is a great option. $45, I think it is an absolute steal, and I would totally be taking this with me when I go traveling next, after coronavirus, of course. So like I said, I am actually waiting on another mirror from them. That one is the Wonderlite. So this is the Wonderlite, and the Wonderlite is the other mirror that I'm getting. The Wonderlite is going to be for more people who have a built-in vanity station, which is set up, ready to go all the time. But you know what, guys? I'm not going to be in an apartment forever, and I would love to eventually have a beautiful vanity with a beautiful mirror on it that I can kind of set up and have as my own beauty space. That is the goals. Hopefully next year that might be able to come true, but in the meantime, I did still want to pick it up so I can kind of test it out for you guys. So stay tuned for that video. That'll be a separate video. And then at the end of that one, I'm going to compare the two so you can kind of see the differences and the pros and cons of each. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on that video. But that is it from me today. Make sure you guys check out Luvo Store, especially if you are into makeup, beauty videos, beauty photography, and beauty just vanity storage and things like that. They have heaps of things to get you set up if you are looking to start your own beauty channel or YouTube channel, such as the ring light like what I've got. They do also now have soft boxes, backdrops, which is awesome. And then they also have really cute storage ideas for like lipsticks, brushes, like really cute storage containers, which will look awesome out on your vanity as well. I will leave their website listed down below if you wanted to check it out. But that is it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the week. Be kind to one another, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.